skin loves aloe vera because it enables us to get nutrients down to the deeper tissue. It's the principal ingredient, and one of the key areas in the aloe is something called lignin. It's a very, very sort of small structure, and it enables us to get the nutrients down to the dermis, which is the second layer of skin and is known as our beauty layer.
Aloe vera is amazing because it's known as an adaptogen. That's great because it suits all skin types. Aloe vera also has the ability to penetrate very, very deeply into the skin, and so it's working at cellular level and promoting healthy skin cells.
It is considered suitable for certain skin problems such as eczema and psoriasis. It's also a very lovely moisturiser even if you don't have a skin problem.
I started using the Propolis cream throughout the summer months. Basically I took it for dry sensitive skin, which I've suffered with all my life. I can use it throughout the cold months, so it gives me a protective barrier. I can use it throughout the summer, it will keep my skin moisturised and it's luxurious as well. I also use it for my daughter's nappy rash. My skin's prone to eczema, which the Propolis cream is suitable for.
I started using the jelly and the Propolis cream because I had bumps at the back of my neck, very irritating bumps, commonly with black people especially. I used the Propolis cream and the jelly. They both helped me with the reducing of the irritation, and the clearing helped to clear the entire problem.
Due to the nature of the work that I was doing, I actually used to lose my fingerprints and my hands were really sore and really rough. So after using the Propolis cream, it actually helped to soothe the pain and actually made my fingers repair a lot quicker.
I started using the Propolis cream as an alternative to the greasy creams that I was using before, which would come through on my clothes. And what I found is that it was really nourishing and really sinked in right to the bottom layer. It was also really soothing and took away some of the itching and the redness of my skin. I probably started to see the results within 3 to 4 weeks. My skin just felt really smooth. It didn't itch as much as it did before, probably took about 50% of the itching away for me, which made a big difference. The great thing about the Propolis cream is that it's suitable for people with psoriasis.
I started using the Propolis cream 6 months ago. I have a skin condition. I've got very dry, itchy, scaly skin, and I'm under the skin hospital. Since using the Propolis cream, my skin has stopped itching. It's no longer dry. It's very smooth. My condition's got a lot better, and I've actually now been discharged from the skin centre.
I used to get eczema like under my eyes and on my arms. It was really itchy and irritating, and I really wanted it to go away because obviously it looked a bit funny as well because you had dry skin under your eyes and on your arms. Ever since I put this cream on, the itchiness has gone, and I've hardly got it under my eyes and on my arms, and it's really helped. And I used to put it on like every day so that it soothed it and controlled the itchiness and helped it like leave me alone. And yeah, I haven't had it since, so I'm really happy about that.